What's up everybody, welcome back to Fit Punch. In this video I'll be talking about how to do push-ups easily and the right way. Let's not waste time, let's hop into it.
I want to talk about the right way of doing these push-ups. When you do the push-ups, you have to keep your body straight, because if you do the push-ups in the right manner itself, then it will be effective, or else it will be a waste of time, that's all. So taking the right weight is very important when you do the push-ups. So here's how you should be taking. Place it in a diamond position, then move your fingers, that's all. And the knee push-ups, which is the easiest push-ups I think, where you should be keeping your knees on the ground and do the push-ups normally, that's all. But keep your elbows near to your body. And the cheat push-ups, it is almost easy, but you have to keep your legs a little bit apart. That is gonna make it a lot easier than you do the normal push-ups. But here also same, shoulders close to your body. And for the chest push-ups, for hitting your chest, you should be moving another step. Let me show you again. And another, bingo. For chest push-ups, you can either go in this, the same width you have taken. So this is the grip, where your fingers are facing forward. That will be good. And here you should not be keeping your shoulders near, and elbows near your body. Or you can also go for this grip, where the fingers are pointing outwards. For diamond push-ups, which is a little bit harder than any other exercises, I would not recommend for the beginners. But if you still want to do this, here's how you should be doing it.
Thank you for watching that video. Hope you liked it. In the next upcoming video, I'll be talking about how to build your arms perfect and to get these triceps, which is also amazing, and the biceps I'll be talking about in the next video. So make sure you have subscribed to my channel and click that notification bell to stay tuned and be a part of our family. Thank you.